Hello, I'm Vlad, and I want to show you a quick demo of a tool I was building for real estate property analysis. It's for residential properties using burst strategy, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. So it helps me to underwrite deals much faster than usual. So I just pick up here an address for property I thought about and enter this address to my tool. And now I'm just waiting for the tool gather data about everything it knows about property, including general property description, market analysis for particular zip code, so I can see important market analysis like population growth in this area. That looks pretty good. So average in US somewhere around 2 or 4% too, I think. Comparables for similar properties for sale and for rent. So rental comparable, so I can estimate long-term rent if I need. I see basic investment analysis, spreadsheet, table, some charts. I like this table where can I see what return with the time I will get. So it's pretty bad deal in sense of it cash flows negatively even with this rent. We can see that it's mostly because of mortgage. Cap rate 3%, kind of low. Estimation of renovation based on property images and description. So we can see here. It looks like it needs some moderate rehab, like walls, even probably cosmetic, depending. Yep, that's the tool I'm using for estimation of deals. Tell me, what do you think about it?